So here let me delete this file, and here you can see this is the file that giving you the error which cannot be read using this SDF open command. If I type SDF open and hit d/temp, then example cc, it will give me this error. This one is coming because of this issue, because it doesn't have x coordinate and y coordinate variable. To fix this issue, you need to have, you can like follow two steps. One is to use this model.ctl file, other one is to use this script which I provided. So this one will be much easier than like typing and like editing using the ctl file. So to use this one, what you have to do is you have to copy this py file into the location where you have this error, the NetCDF files which give you the error. Then you can like hold the shift key and press the right key on the mouse and open the terminal from here. Then you will see the terminal window, and then you can simply type dir in here. Then you will see your file, the convert py file and the NetCDF file which give you the error. So now for this one you need to have Python installed in your system. Then I can use Python space, then the file name convert.py, then space, then the input file name, that means the file which gives you the error, then space the fixed file name or the output file name. I can type this one as fixed, or you can give whatever the name that you like, and then you can hit enter. So then you can see this error is there, but it's okay, you can neglect that one. If I type dir, you will see the fixed file is also there. Now I can use this fixed file and open it using the SDF open command. So here if I type fixed potency and set gx out shaded and depressip, you will see the first time step is displaying in here. So if I need to view the color bar as well, I can use C bar. So you will see the color ramp as well. So this is how you can fix using this script file. If you have any issue, you can like let me know.